Hey Lakeway, we heard you loud and clear. We were tired of not having a good hand wash option nearby too, so we built one. Now introducing the Hand Wash at Ceramic-Coat, Texas. Right here in Lakeway off of 620. A fast, convenient, and safe hand wash designed by locals for locals. Your vehicle is washed using our proprietary ceramic-infused foaming soap. pH balanced and safe for all finishes. We pre-rinse with a foam cannon, hand wash with plush microfiber mitts, clean your wheel faces, dress the tires, wipe down your door jambs, and hand dry everything with ultra soft towels. In and out in 30 minutes, no harsh brushes, no corners cut, all shine. Looking for a little more? Upgrade to the full sweep. Everything in the hand wash at CCT, plus an interior vacuum, light interior wipe down, and crystal clear glass cleaning. Quick, clean, and convenient. Done in just 45 minutes. Need more than a wash? We also offer our beginner, intermediate, and expert details for when your car needs a deeper reset. Every level of care is available here. At Ceramic-Coat, Texas, we're not just protecting paint. We're protecting your time, your car, and your standards. Right here in Lakeway off of 620. Pull up, get washed the right way, and leave with a shine that lasts. This is the Hand Wash at CCT. Let's clean up the game.